Hey adventure seekers, today I'm thrilled to guide you through Europe on just $50 a day. Yes, it's possible. We'll avoid expensive flights, luxurious hotels, and fine dining to discover Europe's charm on a budget. Ready to explore more for less? Let's dive into this budget-friendly journey. Europe's accommodation can be pricey, but there are affordable options. Hostels are ideal for backpackers, offering a social atmosphere at low costs. Airbnb can often be cheaper than hotels. Couchsurfing lets you engage with locals for free accommodation and invaluable local insights. And for nature lovers, many European countries offer free or cheap campsites. Snagging affordable flights to Europe is all about strategy. Book early to secure the best deals. Fly with low-cost carriers like Ryanair or Wizz Air. Travel on weekdays to avoid the price hike during weekends and holidays. And check if smaller airports offer cheaper routes. Master the art of negotiation in European markets. Be friendly, as a smile goes a long way in getting a good deal. Negotiate, as initial prices are often inflated, so start your bid lower. And don't be afraid to walk away if needed. Showing you're not desperate may bring the price down. Traveling through Europe on $50 a day isn't just possible. It's a fantastic way to enrich your travel experience without draining your wallet. Plan, research, and use these tips to uncover the continent's splendors. Remember, the best adventures don't have to come with a hefty price tag. With creativity and a spirit of adventure, you're set for an unforgettable European journey. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to start planning your own European adventure.